1.550 megahertz. Serving. The current time is 1:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin for today and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. A few thunderstorms will be possible Thursday and Friday over mainly central Minnesota. The severe risk is low with this activity. Better chances for thunderstorms exist Friday night and again for late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. A risk for severe weather and heavy rainfall will exist for any storms we see during this period. There are small chances for thunderstorms Sunday and Monday, with chances for thunderstorms, including severe weather, increasing again on Tuesday. Heat and humidity will increase Saturday. Heat indices in the upper 90s to lower 100s appear possible. Spotter information statement: Skywarn spotter activation will not be needed. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area today: partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 80s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the upper 50s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Thursday night, clear. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. And now, the extended forecast. Friday, mostly sunny. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Friday night, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-70s. Saturday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 90s. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. Sunday. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.